Also do this in your oven at home, so you don't have to be on a grill. So I get my fish, place my fish on the foil after putting my butter, callaloo neck. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I do my roasted stuffed fish, and I'll be putting this fish outside on the grill. You can do this fish in your oven at home, it's fine. It will still turn out nice, still delicious. And I'm going to, well, I've gone ahead already and I've buttered my foil, and I've gone ahead also and I've seasoned the inside of my fish with all-purpose seasoning. So I just place my fish on the foil, get some of my stuffing, and today I'm using callaloo. You can use spinach, you can use any stuffing that you want. Sometimes persons use just the cock soup or just put the season alone on the inside, whatever season you want, but I like when it's stuffed with the callaloo. So this is my way, my procedure. So the callaloo is inside, and I'm going to fold this side, flip it, bring this side together, close the top and close the bottom. And to prevent it from burning, say the grill or the oven is too hot, you double foil this. So I'm going to go ahead and put a double layer of foil on my fish. So bring this side, flip it, bring this side together, close the top, close the bottom. And try your best to wrap it as loose as possible. And that's it. So stay tuned, guys. It's time for me to make my pizza. And I have my dough, I have my cheese, and this is mozzarella cheese with cheddar cheese, white cheddar, and my bell pepper, sweet pepper, onions, and I have pepper. I'm gonna put for the topping pepperoni, bacon, pineapple, and some sausage. So stay tuned for that update, okay? So guys, this is the fish, and as you can see, it is well done. Juicy. Are you seeing that? See that steam? The callaloo. Eating time. That's your bill.
Tell the youths Lovies, thanks for sticking around, and that's how we do it in my family. I hope you enjoy. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.